Welcome. So today we are going to show you a device that can make any fan into a remote control fan. So it is Usha AeroSwitch fan remote control. We are going to check its box. So first of all, here it is given installation guidelines for fan top canopy receiver unit and remote handset. So you can read this and you can see how to fit it in the fan. Then when we see here, it is made in India. It is from Usha, a very renowned brand in India. Not in India, it is actually an Indian brand only. The MRP is 890. You can get it in different discounts on different sites. And here there is given more information. So here it is given that it is having sleek, stylish and ergonomic design, tactile buttons for smooth operation, beep free and silent operation. Here writing diagram and it is also off installation. So we are going to open this box and check what is inside. So first it is gonna open from here. So the first thing that we receive is this remote. So it is very lightweight and it is having buttons. The button works really nicely. So we are going to check it here. It is quite hard to open. Okay, so here there are you have to put AAA battery, two AAA battery, and the second thing that we get here is, so this is the device that is going to be fit inside the fan's canopy. So if we check it here, so this is how it looks. So first of all, here it is, the wiring diagram is given. These two are the receiver which are going to receive the signal from the remote, and here all the information of how to put it in the fan is given, and we need to put it in there. Then there is also one more thing. It is Usha's instruction manual and warranty card. You can see how to turn it on, turn it off and everything. Then there is also one thing, there is an on off button. It is given that by any chance you don't want to use it or your remote just get lost, so you can use it and you can turn it on and off and you can use it whenever you want. So this is how it looks, and it is having a really sleek design and it looks really nice all the way. So you can take a close-up of all the things. These are the buttons. The Usha branding is also on the remote. Then this is the device and all the instruction manual and warranty card. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I recommend you to buy this. Thank you so much.